In 2016, a Nobel Prize was awarded for a process already running inside your body. A Japanese scientist won medicine's highest honor for discovering cellular self-repair. Your body has a built-in repair system most people will never activate. Most people eat constantly, never giving their body the window it needs. The door to cellular repair exists inside you, but it stays locked. Hour 0. Your last meal is finished. The clock has started. Insulin acts like a key, unlocking your cells to absorb glucose after eating. Every meal triggers an insulin wave flooding straight into your bloodstream. Glucose gets stored as glycogen, charging your liver and muscles like batteries. While insulin is high, your fat cells stay completely locked shut. Eating every 2 hours resets the metabolic clock, every single time. At hour 6, blood glucose drops. Insulin starts falling with it. Your liver begins draining glycogen reserves to keep blood sugar stable. Your brain burns 20% of your energy, and it's running low. Around hour 8, irritability hits. Brain fog sets in. You feel hangry. Most people grab a snack here and reset everything back to 0. Hour 12 is approaching. Stay firm. The most important part is just ahead. At hour 12, the fog lifts. Your brain switches to a new fuel. Your liver begins converting fatty acids into ketone molecules, a new energy source. Fat cells finally open, releasing fatty acids upward toward your fuel-hungry brain. Ketosis begins. Calm sets in. Mental clarity arrives quietly and stays. Scientists call ketones brain superfuel, sharper and more efficient than glucose. Human growth hormone surges 2 to 5 times above normal baseline levels. HGH actively protects your lean muscle, while your body burns fat instead. By hour 16, inflammatory markers in your blood begin measurably falling. Chronic inflammation connecting heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and cancer starts dissolving. Hour 16. You're standing at the threshold. Autophagy is about to activate. Autophagy, from the Greek for self-eating, is your cell's deep cleaning process. Inside each cell, a tiny cleanup crew sweeps away broken proteins and debris. Damaged proteins get tagged, dismantled, and recycled into usable building blocks. Your cells are finally getting the deep clean they've needed for years. Autophagy slows cellular aging, keeping cells functioning better and longer. Toxic protein buildup linked to Alzheimer's and Parkinson's begins clearing from brain cells. Old, worn-out immune cells get replaced by fresh, more responsive new ones. Cells with damaged DNA get caught and eliminated before they can mutate further. Constant eating keeps autophagy permanently switched off. The cleanup never begins. Hour 20. Ketones are peaking. Your brain is running on pure fuel. Deep fasting brings a meditative calm that most people have never experienced before. Ketones trigger BDNF production, raining down like fertilizer on your brain. BDNF strengthens neural connections, improving memory, learning, and emotional stability. After fasting, your cells respond to insulin far more efficiently than before. Your digestive system finally rests, redirecting massive energy toward full-body repair. Extended fasting reshapes your gut microbiome into a healthier, more balanced ecosystem. Prolonged fasting triggers new stem cell production, partially rebuilding your immune system. Fasting is safe for most healthy adults, but not everyone. Know the exceptions. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, do not fast. Your body has different needs. Water, black coffee, and plain tea are approved. They won't break your fast. Sodium, magnesium, and potassium prevent the headaches that can hit in later hours. Hunger comes in waves, driven by ghrelin, and each wave passes quickly. Sit through the hunger wave, Within 20 minutes, it will be gone. A Japanese scientist spent decades studying a repair process already running inside us all. Hour 24. Fat burning, autophagy, HGH, BDNF, all active simultaneously. Most people never reach this state because they eat before it begins. Finish your last meal tonight. That's all the preparation you need. Wake up tomorrow. Don't eat. The timer is still running. Hour 16 arrives. The autophagy door swings wide open. Between hour 20 and 24, your brain reaches a state of remarkable clarity. People who fast regularly describe this mental state as unlike anything else. Pick one day this week. Eat dinner tonight. Don't eat until tomorrow. Subscribe, because next week we're covering what happens when you quit sugar for 30 days. This is not alternative medicine. This is Nobel Prize-winning, peer-reviewed science. Fat burning, autophagy, HGH, and BDNF, all four systems firing at once. You face a choice. Constant eating keeps repair dormant. Fasting switches it on. The system was always there. It just needed time without food to activate. Every stage of this journey, 12, 16, 20, 24 hours, changes your body. The 24-hour fast begins the moment you stop eating. The clock is running. After every meal, your pancreas sends an insulin ripple flooding through your bloodstream. Your liver and muscles stock glycogen like a warehouse filling its shelves. Your fat cells are sealed like vaults. Insulin keeps the door locked shut. Even eating healthy, frequent meals keeps your fat locked away from being burned. Hour 6. Both blood glucose and insulin drop together for the first time. Your liver drains its glycogen battery to keep blood sugar from falling too low. Hour 8 to 10. The hangry storm hits. Your brain is running on empty. Most people cave here, reach for food and reset all their fasting progress. Turn your back on the snack. Hour 12 and everything changes is just ahead. The metabolic switch flips from glucose mode to ketone mode at hour 12. Your liver becomes a ketone factory, sending fuel directly up to your brain. Left side, static and fog. Right side, clear, calm, focused signal. Neuroscientists call ketones brain superfuel for a reason. Experience it yourself firsthand. HGH surges 2 to 5 times above baseline. Your muscles are now protected. An HGH shield keeps your lean muscle intact while fat burns around it. After hour 16, C-reactive protein drops. Systemic inflammation measurably decreases. Fasting cuts the inflammation thread connecting your body to its most dangerous diseases. The autophagy doorway is forming ahead of you. Hour 16 is almost here. Autophagy literally means self-eating in Greek, your cell's most ancient repair language. Inside every cell, damaged proteins, broken organelles, and debris are systematically being tagged. Broken components enter one side of the cellular recycling plant. Clean parts exit the other. After autophagy, your cell interior goes from dusty and cluttered to sparkling and organized. The aging curve flattens. Autophagy keeps your cells functioning like younger versions of themselves. In your brain neurons, toxic amyloid protein clumps dissolve. Alzheimer's risk begins dropping. Old, worn immune cells exit. Fresh, responsive new cells take their place. Autophagy intercepts damaged DNA and eliminates it before it becomes something worse. Eating every 3 hours keeps the autophagy window permanently, silently closed. Hour 20. Ketones maxed out. Your brain is blazing on the cleanest fuel available. Lotus pose, calm mind. This is what your brain feels like at hour 20. BDNF rains down like fertilizer. New neurons grow, new connections form. Before fasting, neural connections were thin. After BDNF activation, they become significantly stronger. The sensitivity is restored. Your cells receive insulin perfectly after the fast resets them. Your resting digestive system redirects its enormous energy budget toward full-body repair. Your gut microbiome reshapes itself from chaotic imbalance toward a healthier, stable ecosystem. New stem cells roll off the production line. Your immune system is being renewed. Pregnant, type 1 diabetic, history of eating disorders. Check with your doctor first. Water, black coffee, plain tea. All 3 approved. None of them break your fast. Electrolytes prevent the headaches. Sodium, magnesium, potassium. Small amounts make a real difference. Ghrelin spikes on a schedule. Wait 20 minutes. Every single wave passes. The hunger wave sweeps through and dissipates. Your body adjusts. You remain steady. Yoshinori Ohsumi spent decades in a lab studying what was always already inside us. Hour 24. All 4 systems active. Fat flame, autophagy broom, HGH shield, BDNF seedling. The repair window has been glowing behind closed glass every single day of your life. Push the plate aside tonight with intention. That quiet moment starts everything. Morning light, empty kitchen. The timer is still running. You are still in it. Step through the door. Hour 16. Autophagy is now active inside your body. Hour 20 to 24. Your brain forms connections faster than it normally can. Thousands of people have done this. Their hardest hour and their clearest hour both surprised them. Circle one day. Cross out the meals. That is the only step required. Every repair system now active, you walk forward knowing what your body is capable of. This is published science. This is peer-reviewed. This won the Nobel Prize in medicine. 2 paths. One leads to dormant repair. The other leads to everything we just covered. The system was always there. It was built in from the beginning. It just needed time. Hour 24 complete. Every system activated. You gave your body the window it needed. Next week, 30 days without sugar. What happens on day 3 will surprise you. Subscribe now. Next week's video covers what quitting sugar does to your body day by day. Every hour of fasting unlocks something. Now you know exactly what and exactly when. Millions of people are somewhere on this timeline right now, at their own hour. Fat flame, autophagy broom, HGH shield, BDNF seedling, all 4 glowing inside you simultaneously. For the first time, the window is open. The repair system is running. You feel it. One person resets the clock every 3 hours. The other gives their body the window. Look inside. Every repair system was already there, waiting for you to stop eating long enough. Hour 12, hour 16, hour 20, hour 24. Each one unlocks something extraordinary. Empty plate. 24 hours complete. A quiet glow from within. Your body did its work. You walk forward now with 4 repair systems orbiting you like satellites. They were always yours. Now you know. The system was always there. It was always waiting. It was always you.